Who are you?
What is all this?
Oh, ni shori.
Let's watch this video.
What's up? How you doing now?
Yeah.
I'm actually a content creator.
Okay.
This is actually the camera, so I just want to ask you a question actually.
Okay. What is it?
Yeah, so what's your name?
My name is Annabelle.
Okay, Annabelle, like, this is surely comic, but people do call me fake accent, but the question I want to ask is that, what kind of man have to have you?
Like, ọkùnrin tó lówó lọ́wọ́, tó ní mọ́tò, tó nílé ńlá gan, like, tó lè take care of me. You can see me now.
What do you do for a living?
I'm a hairdresser.
Hairdresser?
Yes.
Òun ló fẹ́ gbogbo nǹkan yàrá.
Ẹ̀hẹ́n náà nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ ni is my choice.
Mọ́tò àti ilé ńlá nìkan ló fẹ́ láyé tiẹ̀.
Yes, nǹkan tó wù mí nìyẹn.
Ṣé ọmọ bẹ̀rẹ̀ ni ẹ̀ ni?
No.
O ní ṣoríire.
Kí ni ìtumọ̀ like
Ayé
that?
fẹ́ o fẹ́ ṣẹ̀sìn ni, ayé fẹ́ bàjẹ́ ni. Mo dẹ̀ ń bẹ́ẹ̀
You
sọ̀rọ̀.
don't even know me.
Who are you?
What is all this?
O ní ṣoríire. Ayé máa bàjẹ́.
Wọ́n gan ò ní ṣoríire. Kí ni ìtumọ̀?
Ó ń dirun. Ó ń dirun, ó fẹ́ mọ́tò. Did I know you?
You are mad.
Àfàrẹ́ta.
O lè ṣe ni. Kí ló kàn ẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀?
Ṣé náà ká mi?
O lè ṣe kọ́ tí mo
Mo ń
fẹ́.
ṣọmọ ọ̀dọ́ lọ́dún yẹn ni. O ní rọ́mọ bí. Ayé máa bàjẹ́ ni.